Hi everybody, it's Rabbi Rob, back here again with my good friend and my favorite extraterrestrial, Gorgle.
I am your only extraterrestrial.
Oh, that's right. Anyhow, Gorgle and I are here. It's the summer of 2024, and the world
Is in trouble. Oh, bad things going on.
Yeah, and here in Israel, since last October, since Simchas Torah last year, there have been many, many difficult situations. So the question is,
What do we do? What do we do as Jews and as extraterrestrials?
that's a big question. So the Rambam teaches us, Gorgle, that things do not happen by accident.
No, they don't. They happen for a reason, kids. And what is the reason this stuff is happening?
Well, that's a great question. All we can do is refer back to our sages, our rabbis, our rabbanim, from the times of the Gemara. And the Gemara teaches us that during Bai Sheni,
The Second Temple.
the Second Temple times, the Jewish people had unfortunately a strong trace of sinas chinam, sinat chinam.
Oh, that is no good. That means they didn't like each other. They hated each other for no reason.
They just didn't get along all that well. And they spoke Lashon Hara. You know what Lashon Hara is?
Yeah, it's saying negative things about other people. It's not good. It's not good. It's bad.
It's called Lashon Hara for a reason. So the question is, Gorgle, how can we fix that problem of sinas chinam, of causeless hatred and Lashon Hara?
I got a solution.
Okay, go ahead.
First, love your fellow Jew. Ve'ahavta l'reacha kamocha.
Love your fellow Jew as yourself. Don't look at another Jewish person as somebody separate from you. Look at them as a member of your people, part of your own family. And therefore, once you do that, the second problem will fall away automatically.
No Lashon Hara, because you wouldn't talk about yourself in a negative way.
You would not speak about yourself in a negative way. So why would you speak about a fellow Jew in a negative way?
Well, I learned so much in just a couple of minutes.
That's the point. The 3 weeks between Shiva Sar B'Tammuz and Tisha B'Av is a time for self-reflection, to look at our own behavior and ask ourselves what we can do to improve ourselves and bring the Geula,
The Mashiach,
B'mei Rabbi Yameinu.